Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng classic chocolate cupcakes with whipped chocolate ganache frosting. Isa sa mga all-time favorites na hindi mawala-wala sa mga nire-request itong chocolate cupcake. Perfectly moist and sweet with a very deep chocolate flavor, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar and Pastry.
Sa isang bowl, combine natin yung 1½ cups ng dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup ng canola oil, and 2 large eggs. Whisk natin ng mabuti until maging pale and airy and ma-dissolve mostly ng ating sugar. For the dry ingredients naman, over this mixture, sift natin all together yung ating 1 3/4 cups ng all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon each ng baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti until wala ng visible flour on top, then set aside muna natin yan. Sa separate bowl naman, dissolve natin yung ating 1 cup ng good quality cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon ng coffee powder sa 2 cups ng hot water to bloom yung ating cocoa powder at para mas ma-develop yung flavor. Naglagay tayo ng coffee to deepen the chocolate flavor, but it's completely optional. Pero kung gusto nyo pa rin maglagay at ayaw nyo yung sipa ng kape, pwede kayong gumamit nung decaffeinated. Then, whisk in na natin to dun sa ating mixture kanina into addition. Haluin lang natin na mabuti until smooth, then transfer na natin sa ating muffin tin lined with 3 ounce na cupcake liners. Then, bake na natin sila sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 18 to 20 minutes. Transfer over a wire rack to cool completely at habang pinapalamig natin yan, gawin natin yung ating whipped ganache frosting. Sa isang bowl, melt natin yung 250 grams ng dark chocolate with 1/2 cup ng whipping cream. Pwede nyo gawin to sa microwave or water bath. Then, once smooth, cover natin ng cling film. Then, chill natin for around 30 minutes to set. And pwede na natin siyang i-whip gamit ang hand mixer. Beat natin over high speed once pale and airy at ganito na siya ka-fluffy, pwede na natin i-transfer sa ating piping bag. Gumamit ako dito ng 1M na piping tip to make the classic rosette design. Swak na swak nga yung lightness and flavor nitong ating whipped ganache para sa ating chocolate cupcake. To decorate, pwede pa kayo maglagay dyan ng sprinkles or chocolate drizzle. For this recipe, nakagawa tayo ng total of 18 pieces. And that's it! Enjoy your homemade chocolate cupcakes!